Good day, drafters! For today's video, I will going to show you how to create orthographic projection using your AutoCAD 2021. So as you can see, we have here the top view, the front view, and the side view that we need in an orthographic projection. So in this discussion, I will not going to show you the layers and also the dimension of this orthographic because I have a separated video for it. So now let's get started. So first procedure, we will going to use the Xline, which the infinite lines, no ending line in AutoCAD. So the shortcut key for it is XL, enter. So we're going to create the cross line of her vertical and horizontal line as our origin. And then from that, we will going to offset it by 2. Okay, 2. Again. From here, make it and zoom in. Okay, offset this vertical line by 2 from both side. Also this one, the horizontal line, both side. Okay, and then from this middle, we will going to create a 45 degrees line for our right angle. And then we will going to start in here. Okay, so just going to create this figure that we have. So first we have here 10. Okay, 10. And then 4. And then 1.5. And then okay. And then from here, just going to create 10 down here. Okay. And then you can actually trim the unnecessary line like this one. And then from here, from line, okay, we're going to create line from 1.5. So let's find the 1.5 here. So this one, our 1.5 from here going here. Okay, and then from this 1.5 line that we have created earlier, we're going to offset it by 2 again. 2. Okay, 2, and then just going to have like mirror. Okay, then enter. And then we're just going to create a 1.5 offset here. So from the middle, just going to create a 2.5 vertical line. And then we're going to offset it by 0.75 because we need 1.5 offset line. And then delete this one, join together, and then trim. Okay, and then we're done doing the front view or the top view of our figure, the top view of our figure. Next, we will going to create the front view for our orthographic projection. We can also use again the XL. So XL, enter, and then we will going to have this XL from here down here, also from here down here, this one also, all vertical XL or Xline. Okay, and then after that, from here, this one, we're going to create the 2. Okay, 2, enter, and then another 2, and then another 1.5. Okay, and then just going to close it in here. And then before we proceed for our next step, make sure that we all trim all the unnecessary lines. Okay, also in here in our figure, the unnecessary lines, let's just trim it all together so we will not will not distracted from it. Okay, and then after that, we're going to create a line from 2. So let's find the 2. So from here, we have here, also here. Okay, and then just going to trim this line because it's not included to our figure. And then we're just going to mirror it from the middle of this line. Okay, and then enter. Then we will going to trim the unnecessary line here. Okay, and then here, from here, I think from here, it's not included in here. Okay, I got a mistake from here. So before we trim, rather before we trim the line that we have created, so make sure that we have delete this one because it's guidelines. It's only a guidelines. Okay, so we're just going to, from here, just going to mirror it in the middle. Okay, and then we're just going to trim all the excess lines that we have, and then we're just going to create line down here. This one, we're going to copy it by 1.5. So let's find the 1.5 that we have here. 75. So this is the 1.5 that we have created earlier, and then just going to trim all the excess lines here, also here and here. Okay, and then we're done doing the front view of our figure. For the last view that we will going to create is the side view of the orthographic projection, which means we will going to use the 45 degrees line here, the right angle, by using the XL again. So we're going to create XL, so command line XL for Xline. So from here going here in our 45 degrees. Okay, and then just going to create a line down here. Okay, and then also here just going to create a line. Also here XL again, can use XL. Okay, from here go in here, and then make sure that it's accurately created. Again, make sure that you have actually the XL that orthographic is on. Okay, and then here, and then just going to create a line from here down here. Okay, and then we're just going to create line from here. Okay, from going to down here. Okay, and then just going to delete all the excess lines that we have. Excess lines that they are not included to our figure. These lines, actually, this actually the lines, all these lines. Just first, we're just going to delete this one, okay? Because we really need the 45 degrees angle for our figure. Okay, make sure that you're going to trim all over it. Okay, trim this one. Okay, and then after that, from here, this will be our figure from here. Okay, so this is not also included. Okay, and then from line, from here, just going to trace it from here, also here. So we just need to create line from here all over here. Okay, and then just going to delete all the excess lines that are not included to our drawing, also here and here. Okay, so let's check our drawing. So first, from right here, rather, just going to create, okay, make sure that it's accurately created. So from here, so just going to delete this one. Okay, also this one, delete this line. So let's check if we are correct. So we are correct to our side view, the front view, and the top view. So let's go back to our drawing. By using the M text or M text, we're going to use this M text for our text here. So for example, let's just type here the top view in Arial. So Arial font, top view. Okay, top view, and then Control A, and then just adjust it by 0.9, I think. Then bold, go here in bold. So make sure that it's by layer and then Arial, and then adjust yes. Okay, yes, and then just going to move it by middle. Move it by middle, and then we're just going to copy this text down here, going here. Okay, sure that's not ortho, because yes, I'm just going to rename it by front view. Okay, and then move it in here in the middle, and then this one, it's actually our side view. Okay, the side view, and then we're done doing our orthographic projection. but not have the layers. So for a next video, I will going to show you how to do the layers, and another video on how to do the dimensioning. Thank you so much. I hope that you have learned something today.